My name is Miguel Castaneda with Keystone Building and Restoration. We're here at 9675 Maryland Avenue. We're going to be doing an attempted repair today with one of the shingles that are bad to prove that this repair would only cause more damage. I'll keep the video running non-stop. We're going to do an attempted repair brittle test on this shingle right here that is damaged. You can see for yourself. It has a crease mark at the very top. We're going to replace this bad boy by breaking the seals on these three shingles in order to slide this shingle out and then putting a shingle back in and see what damage occurs by replacing one shingle. Thank you, sir. All right. I'm going to go ahead and these are sealed. I'm going to go ahead and break the seal. These are sealed, so we're going to go ahead and break the seal here. Here, with the spatula to reduce damage. Here, and here. So we're able to expose the nails. They got to come out here. Here, we have a nail here. Here, we have a nail here. Here. We have a nail here, and we got nails here that we removed. Simulate moving of the nails, moving of the nails, removing of the nails, removing of the nails, removing of the nails. In order to slide this shingle out, then we will get a brand new shingle, putting it back in its place. We'll use our nail gun, simulation again. Nail, nail, nail. Nail, 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 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. We'll go ahead and wipe down the shingles, see if there's any granulate loss on any of these shingles. And I'll go ahead and pull the video so you can see for yourself. As you can see here, we have new creasing. This was the shingle that was going to be repaired. Now we have creasing on this one. This is a fail. We have creasing on that one. That's a fail. We have creasing on this one. That's a fail. Creasing on this one. That's a fail. And more creasing on that one. So ladies and gentlemen, on this attempted repair here at 9675 Maryland Avenue, looking to replace this would only cause more damage, and I'm recommending a full roof replacement so we cause minimal damage to this roof and its integrity. It's Miguel Castaneda here again at 9675 Maryland Avenue, Laurel, Maryland 20723. Thank you very much. Miguel Castaneda with Keystone Building and Restoration.